Hey guys, welcome back. I've got some breaking news. It's happening just like some people have predicted, and you definitely want to stay tuned to this episode of the Get a Clue Marketing Show because we're talking about layoffs, massive layoffs. And I want to give you some hope. I want to give you 10 ways to market yourself so that you can start generating income even this week. So you definitely want to stay tuned. Okay, in our facts and stats segment, we're talking about layoffs, and this came across my LinkedIn feed with the latest layoff in the companies, okay? And I found out that lost 1,000 employees. That's a lot. You know, I'm seeing some of the employees on TikTok right now, and it's heartbreaking. It really is. I don't know what type of jobs that they were doing. I don't know if it's customer support, but everyone that has a Shopify store, I think is going to suffer. If it's development or if it's customer support, I'm not sure. But, maybe these employees a lot of them were designers. I don't know. Anyway, that's going to hurt a lot of people. It's going to just trickle down to the shoppers and things. So that's 10% of their workforce. Clearco, a lot of tech industries are laying off. A lot of people are saying that they hired too many people at one time. So that's why they're backing off on their new hires. Okay, wearable tech maker Whoop laying off 15%. That's 630 people. I mean, regardless if the number is low or if it's high, somebody is going to lose their job and wonder how they're going to pay the bills. It's it's a terrifying thing if you're not going to get unemployment compensation. Ford is going to cut out 8,000 jobs that have to do with gas-fueled vehicle division. I mean, that just sealed their fate because people are not going to buy energy electric cars. I'm sorry. They're just not going to do it and not going to offer enough. So anyway, these are some stats, and I'm going to talk about this website over here in our book market segment. In fact, let's just jump right into it. Okay, in our book market segment, you can go over to layoffs.F.R.E.E. This is a tracker to keep in touch with what companies are laying off and when they got laid off, etc. So, if your company is in here and you haven't gotten laid off yet, or this will give you an idea on what type of companies they are, where they got laid off in different states or different countries and things like that. So I thought it was really impressive. I don't know who these companies are, but one thing that you want to do, and we'll talk about this later in the DIY action steps, is one thing that you want to do is have a contractor mindset. If these people are all laying off, you can contact the HR department and find out if they need your services as a contractor, okay? So check into that. You got all these different companies, main name brand companies that you're aware of, and other people you probably have never seen. Anyway, check out this site. It's called layoffs.F.R.E.E. and it can track how many employees got laid off. And you can also go to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. All right, so I like to come here a lot to find out, what the vibe is, how many people are being laid off as well. And it's a government site, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. All right, so you can check that out too as well. Okay, next up is our DIY action steps that you can take right now. Let me give you 10 DIY action steps that you can do. Number one, obviously, is file for unemployment. Number two is to create a compelling resume with a video on it and share it on LinkedIn and other job networks. Number 3, you can join Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and set up your profiles and show off your skills. Number 4, reach out to people that you know in your circle, and if anyone owns a business, find out where you can help. Number 5, look into local, county, city jobs because they're always hiring. Number 6 is contact headhunter agencies and recruiting firms to see if they need help. Number 7, learn new skills like digital marketing, SEO, video production, video marketing, social media, all that good stuff. Number 8, start sharing your journey in real time on TikTok and display your skills. Number 9, start your own business. Now is the best time to start doing what you want to do all your life. Now is the best time to do it because more people have started their business during the pandemic than ever before. And number 10, you need to start thinking like a contractor. Have that mindset so you're not falling back into an employee mindset. When you're a contractor, the whole world opens up to you for opportunities. And if you have the right skills and you have the right tenacity to get things done and you have results, then you can definitely go out there and make it as a contractor. Because let's face it, these corporations, they're laying people off because they don't want to pay benefits, they don't want to pay the extra money, so they're going to contract out their work. And if you can fulfill those skills that they need, they might even pay you double for what you had been making before. So anyway, have a contractor mindset, and that is a big step forward. So I hope that gives you some options and some things to think about. Now on to the tip of the week. In our tip of the week segment, the first thing I would do during these hard times is pray to God to open up doors and opportunities, okay? And the second thing to do is to remember that money has not left the planet. And where there is a need, there is somebody who's going to fulfill and provide that need. So you need to have a strategy to find out how to fulfill that need. Anyway, I hope this helps. This is David D. Thanks a lot for watching. And if you got anything out of this, please subscribe and like and share. Thanks again. I will talk to you soon.